Hi, my name is Leanne Kendrick and I am going to do my slide presentation for art communication class. I was working with the bamboo drawing pad and pen. I love this design. It has a strong center alignment which directs the eye to the multi-click pen that we all had in junior high. It's suspended above the bamboo draw pad and it inspires the mind to think about the many different things that we can do with the bamboo pad and pen. Its versatility. In the typography, we have a cursive, a sans serif cursive writing, and then the bamboo logo. That's it. 2 lines of typography. They're very contrasting, which is good to draw the attention. Next, we're talking about the color. We have the gradient blue background. It's used to highlight the idea and the product. Minimal colors are used for a dramatic effect. Very well. And now we're going to deal with the new ad. I took the same idea of the pen and pad. And I went ahead and I used the same sans serif cursive font and I changed the catch line to bring ideas to life, and again using the bamboo logo, changing the background color to match the tag on the pad itself. And I took out the little pen and I made the pen bigger so that it's more the focus of the ad. Using the light bulb, and I put a digital design I had drawn on my own bamboo pad, and I put it in the light bulb. Kind of, helps with the making you think of inspiration and your own ideas. The consistencies, I kept the pad the same, I kept the typography the same, and I kept the gradient of the background the same, even though the background is a different color now. In conclusion, the design qualities are the same as the original ad. The simple and centered design is carried through to a new ad. The drawing pen is enlarged to show that it is the main product represented. I completely enjoyed making this ad and I hope you enjoyed it too. Thanks. Bye-bye.